I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Now click Create Integration. Now search and select trigger, which is FormCraft. Select a form. Click on Next. Search and select SureCart for action. Here give the meaningful integration name as you want. Here need the app API key for authorization. To get API key, please visit the SureCart. Click the new API key. Give the meaningful token name, then click Create. Now copy the token and paste the authorization page. Now click Authorize. Authorization is successfully done. Click Next. Select the action. Now map the field. Here is the conditional logic. You can use it if you want. If the condition matches, then the data will be sent. Click Next. Now save the integrations. Now go to SureCart settings and select the connection. Now copy the token and paste it here, then click Save. Now check the integrations by submitting a form. Form submitted successfully. Also, go to SureCart and check the customer is listed or not. Here is the customer coming into the SureCart form Bit Integrations plugin. Thanks for watching.